So what's up guys and welcome to the part 9 of Cookie Clicker Advanced series. So let's get started. So today we're gonna make achievements, and as you can see here I have made a costume. You need this. Just a simple rectangle in which we have written achievement and earn 500 cash or anything the achievement is with some design here, or you can just design your own. I have made an achievement on earning 500 cash. You can make multiple, like if I duplicate this and change 500 to 1000 and adjust it a bit, and here you can see we have that. So we will name it like cash 500, copy and then paste here also and just name it cash 1000. This won't matter, you can name it anything, but I am naming it for reference, like we should know what we are doing. So for now we'll take 2, and now first of all you need to make that build block. So make a variable called clone number for the sprite only, make it hidden. I can copy it from here, I have this, so I'm just copying it here. But if you want, you can just follow, like make a variable called clone number, then make a block called build with an input, start with an input. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's remove this, like build number start. Run without screen refresh should be checked. Click on OK, and now we'll put here set clone number to start, repeat, build number times, change clone number by 1, create clone of myself. So this will be our script, like it will set the clone number, the variable to 0 or anything we set. Like we'll put here when the green flag click, hide, duplicate this, and I see start hide. So we have made that script. So now we'll just put this build block here, and we need for now 2 achievements and start from 0. You can combine in them in one, but I will make 2, that would be easier. So it will just set the clone number to 0 start, then it will repeat number times, this number times, change clone number by 1 and create clone of myself. So the clone number will be 1, then it will create clone, so that clone will get the number, like when I start as a clone, if clone number is equal to 1, so it will just get it immediately when it's created, and then it will just switch to costume and start the script instead of anything else. So we'll switch to costume cash 500, and it will hide. You can just put your go to front and show for others, and if you put your hide it will work, or else you have to put it everywhere. Then you can put your forever if, and this is a simple one, so we'll just put the greater block. So if cash is greater than 499, so 500 will be greater than 499, so it will just detect 500 directly, and then it will just show this achievement. So we'll make an animation for that. So switch to costume 500 is already here, so it will just like here you can see this is now up. So let's see what it looks like when it's down. So minus 50, so minus 52 is the limit I can go here. So I will just set here go to x0 and y minus 52, and it will just go here and then change y by 10 5 times. So we'll put here repeat 5, so it will just bring the animation like this. Here you can see this will be very fast, so we'll put an delay 0.05, and here you can see we have here, we'll also put here a change y by 2, so it is exactly at x0 y0, and also put here change go to x0 and y0 for if it is a glitch or something. So it will just play the animation, then it will wait for 2 seconds, so it will show it the achievement is complete, and then it will just play the reverse animation. So we'll just duplicate this and put here, remove this, so change y by negative 10, change y by negative 2, and then just remove this, and this should work. So let's see if it works, like by clicking. So this works great. And also we'll put a fading effect, like, so first of all clear graphic effect, set ghost effect to 100 and then repeat 10, or we'll just put it in combined script like here, change ghost effect, if it is 5 we'll put here 20, so 25 is 100 and negative 20 actually, so it will just appear. And then after that set ghost effect to 0, put it here and just put here change ghost effect by 20, so it will just fade away. And then finally we'll put here delete this clone, so it won't happen next time you hit 499. So this is the first one, so let's test it. I'll just increase the cache to say 300 or 400 so we can check it. So set cache to 350 or something. We also forgot one thing. We will just put here, go to front layer and show and put here, and let's see now. As you can see, that appeared, but that was a bit laggy or not very smooth. So we can just decrease the delay to 0.25, or instead of putting delay, you can just increase this value to 20 and this to -5. And for this, we can just put here 1, or you can just put here 2.5, so it will be 50, and this will work. And also here 20, -2.5, and -5. So this should work great. And also we'll hide the sprite here, so it is hiding. And if you want, you can just remove this, but I will leave it here as it is. We get this glitch, we can see this here. This is because we have put build 2, so we'll put build 1, and you can see there is nothing. I've disabled the music now. So as you can see, when I just reach greater than 490 or say 500, so then I will get it. You can see this shows up and then it goes down. You can make better animations if you like. I've made the simple one, and you can just also put it in a block, but this is better as to change any values. Then duplicate this, put it here, clone number to 2, cache 1000 and 999. This is very easy. You have to just change values and also switch costume to 1000. So this is a very simple one, and put here 2. So here you can see when I reach 1000, now we'll get another one. So here's the first one, as you can see. And now we'll get the second one. As you can see, we got that and 1000. So this is a pretty simple thing. If you want to add time, you can add time. If you want more or better explanation, or if you want anything like a new type of achievement that is not possible with this script, you can comment down below. I will make a video on it or tell you there itself. Also, you can join Discord server if you have any queries or any questions or any game ideas. You can just share it there, or if you want to have fun there. So this was all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.